Good morning out there. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2014 Infiniti Q50. This vehicle is fully safety certified, ready to go. It's fully loaded. It's white and black interior. Sunroof. Vehicle is very clean and the car proof. Never been an accident. This vehicle is available and ready to go. It's a 3.7 liters V6. If you have more questions regarding this vehicle, my name once again is Eduardo and my phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.